Hello friends, good morning. So in today's video we'll discuss about Bajaj Auto MGL. These stocks have seen a big fall in the coming week. Can you know you can capture these kind of falls is something which we'll be focusing on. Um, Again, to reiterate, we are sharing these videos to to make you understand what kind of techniques Gann has. Gann is a science. There are so many things which are involved here. So it's not just one technique. There are multiple techniques which can be used, and you know, every technique has its pros and cons. You don't have to, I mean, these techniques we have learned over a period of time, not like in 1 year, 2 years. We have been doing this from past many years. And again, more important is data collection and back testing. There's so many, wheels involved. I mean, what we are showing you, it's, I would say, years of work which we have done. So again, a lot of people say me, why didn't you tell us in advance? So, Monday to Friday, the kind of markets we are into, we are quite busy. We try to share this knowledge, and even we try to, share you the stocks which are coming forward. So that will help you in, creating the sheets on your own. I mean, data collection, you can do it from TradingView, Broker, any software. Yeah, it's a lot of manual work is involved here. We are trying to automate it, but as of now, we have not found any good way which gives us the right results. But, that is what it is. It's the cost of doing business, and every business requires hard work if you want to be best in your business. So now coming back to this Bajaj Auto example, we have seen this big fall. MGL, we have seen a very big fall, you know. So how can we predict these moves well in advance? We'll be focusing on that. So let's first start with Bajaj Auto. So Bajaj Auto, if I go to the sheet, so it made a top around 1st September of 2022. First, let's go and check there. 1st September 2022. The stock has definitely made a very decent top here on 1st September. 4131.75 was the high. From there, we had a very good correction. So this is a potential point which we'll be using. And now what we will do is we basically, let me go to that Excel. Yeah. So we basically will go to this Excel and we'll apply our formulas. What are our formulas? So we basically take the square root of the, I'll just type it here, SQRT, you have to type in Excel. Take the square root of the price and add it to the day. So 19/2022 plus 64. We'll get it a 4/11/2022. First, let's see whether this is working or not. 4/11/2022. Anything happened there? 4th November 2022. This is 7th. This is 4th. You can see next day it topped out and we had a decent correction. Then 7th January 2023. 10, 9, 6th, 9th was a holiday, 7th was a holiday. So again, 3 days of good fall. So we had a decline of almost from 3,700 to almost 200 points decline, which is good enough for a swing trade. So similarly, you can backtest everything. Now let's come to this 8/8/2024. You can pause the video, note down the dates, and um, I mean backtest it. 8th August, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, right? So after that, the stock, it never broke this low, consolidated and just broke out. So now we are on 11th October 2024. So where is it? 11th October 2024. It is here, right? Again, I do a very simple thing. I note down the high and low of this date and enter in my, I have created my own tool, Gann intraday Gann levels. I'll just enter the high and low. So the high of this day is 11,930.65 and low is 11,705.60. 11,930.65 and 11,730. 11,930 and 11,705. Click OK. So your buy and sell levels are clearly defined. So about this, you have to go long. So we went long and the next day our stop loss got triggered. So this is also very important. It's not like that every trade you do, you will never hit stop losses. So this was a trade. You went long, you were expecting market to go up, but it did, the stock to go up, it didn't go. And then next day it broke this low. So we have to go short. And then it did your first target, second target. I mean, still it touched this level. And the very next day it just came down. heavily. So it was like 11, 13% fall in the particular stock. So this is a simple way of doing this thing. And another way to look at this thing is, if you don't have this tool, I've told you about this Gann monthly trend chain level, first to ninth average, and do it. So this number was 11706. So we went long that day, hoping for a target of 3 to 5%. We didn't come. Next day stop loss triggered. We went short. We were expecting again 3 to 5% target. And this day we got this target. So very simple. I mean, it's not that simple, but yes, if on the hindsight it looks quite simple, but this is how it is. So you have to be ready. So, I took this particular, there were a lot of stocks which are coming, but I wanted to show you this in particular because to show you why stop losses are important, why reversing your positions is very, very important if the price says so. Everyone is trading with a limited capital. You cannot just hold on to a stock till eternity. There are some people who do that, but eventually, why to miss this opportunity on downside, right? So this is and this was a perfect price and time squaring, but it hit our stop loss first and then we had a good fall. Now let's take another example. I'll go for MGL. MGL also had a very good fall. So let's go here again. Same concept. Now, what is the next date for Bajaj Auto? It's 14, 12, 6 2 2025, 24 2. So these are the important dates. We took a multipliers. Now, let's take 1114 on 28 2023. So this was the top here. We had a very decent fall from this point. Again, we have applied this the same logic and we got a date of 4 10 2024. So with the same calculations, it's very simple. I mean, very just take a square root, add it to the price. So this is 13th multiplier of that 14 10 2024. So let's quickly check what happened on 14. This was 14th. 14th was here. Again, you can do the same thing. Put the high and low, and it broke the low. Let's apply that indicator again. Gann intraday, Gann levels. So the importance of these indicators is, I mean, they help us to see on the chart, so it becomes very easy for us to decide where to go long, where to go short. 1842, 1786, 1842, 1786. Again, so it gave us a buy trade, stop loss triggered. We got a short trade here. So what I'm trying to say is, before this big fall, we are in the position. That is very, very important, right? So now from here, so anyways, today was a gap down, it did all the targets. So this is a simple way of finding important price levels, important time levels, and how to use this, this price and time squaring. Now, what are the stocks which are coming in October month? I'll just quickly go here and let's find the stocks square, and you want to find the stocks for October month. Yeah, let me quickly show you here because so let me see one minute. Clear the filter and let's quickly see for October month. This is a very big Excel, so it takes a lot of time, to get the results. So these are the stocks for October month for the coming dates, like ABP, Abot, Adani, Asian Paints, Balrampur. Balrampur is, this is the last FNO expiry for that. Kotak Bank on 24th. Then Syngene, Titan, UBL, Jadis Life. So these are the stocks you can focus on. So very, very simple technique. And for the indicators, I think a lot of people ask me for that also. So for that, you can directly go to my website, brahmistechanalysis.com, and there is a page for the, Gann and Astro indicators. So you can I'll just quickly show you here. Yeah, so we have a lot of indicators here. So, I mean, whatever we are discussing here, so you can use them. So yeah, so that's about it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Stay disciplined.